19 minutes after 11 on your Friday morning. Let's check in now with Way 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington.
And Rob, overnight, brought down a lot of leaves, all that wind out there. My gutter cleanup at the top of mind around the Crochel household. What can we expect for the weekend?
You know, we're going to probably dry out enough here this afternoon that you can actually rake up some of those leaves here for your Friday afternoon. But yeah, still dealing with all those leaves coming down. You can still see all those leaves to go. So we look west over top of Huntsville. Beautiful afternoon, though. Blue sky, 62 already in Huntsville at 11 o'clock. South-southwest winds at about 7 miles per hour. And what we're expecting for today, we'll call it seasonable. Highs right around the mid to upper 60s. That's within a couple degrees of average for this time of the year. And then dropping off this evening, you'll notice down into the low 50s by 7 o'clock. So keep that in mind if you're heading out to some of those playoff games this evening for football. As I mentioned, a little damp out there from yesterday's rain. So it may take a little while for some of those leaves or maybe your grass to dry out today. Maybe a better day tomorrow. But keep in mind, tomorrow and Sunday, if you're doing yard work, you're likely going to need the sweatshirt or the jacket. Much, much cooler with that front coming in tonight. And you actually pick out the front on the winds. Just a light wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour here this afternoon. And then you'll notice right at midnight, you'll notice how those winds crank up to about 25 miles per hour. Those are those winds on the backside of the cold front coming in this evening. That same cold front could also even bring a few showers to North Alabama later tonight. That's it right there. Looks pretty impressive on the radar as we look off to the northwest, but we're going to lose a lot of this rainfall as it approaches here by 7, 8 o'clock. We still have that 10% chance, though, if you are heading out to some of the Friday night football games tonight. Big game of the week, Priceville at Madison Academy, about a 10% chance. And you'll notice by the third and fourth quarter, could start to see some of those temperatures falling down to the upper 40s. So maybe some rain gear and also just the jacket and the gloves because it's a little bit on the cool side. Here's 4 o'clock this afternoon, just some passing clouds, still dry. Right around 7, 8 o'clock this evening, that's what's left of that front we were just looking at. Just some showers ahead of that reinforcing cold front. That's out of here well before sunrise Saturday morning. And look at that, 8 o'clock tomorrow, not a cloud in the sky. And we're going to be tracking sunny skies all day tomorrow. But even with all that sunshine Saturday, we're only going to make it up to about 50 for a high for many areas. Maybe some spots struggling to get out of the upper 40s. A look at the rainfall forecast. Let this go all the way through Tuesday of next work week. Tonight's rainfall really not even enough to register on some of these gauges. But you'll notice just as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday, that's when we start to pick up about a quarter to half an inch of rainfall. So our next best chance coming in Wednesday evening and into Thursday of next week. So plenty of opportunity to get those leaves up. But again, it's going to be chilly this weekend. Maybe a little bit warmer Sunday afternoon. The other concern heading through this weekend will be Sunday morning. We are forecasting 31. That, of course, is a degree below freezing. So we have that freeze watch that is in effect. Could even have some frost still around for your Monday morning. So could be scraping that off on your Monday morning commute. But slowly but surely warming things up by Wednesday of next week.